Well, I've freed up this bearer. It's not perfect, but that'll do to drill 6 holes. This one ain't too bad, so I'm going to clean them up, add them soaking in the oil, and then put it all back together. I've got to clean these edges up, and that should do the job. It's cleaned up alright, spin quite nicely. There we go. Okay. So we've got it all back together. You can now see it spin. Can't even spin it. So it's spin nice and freely now. You can see this. So it's ready to go on. Well, say it's ready to go on the tractor. As you know, I cut the bar off to remove it from the frame. So I just need to get that off. I'll just show you that. I've got a new bar to go in there. So I'm going to put a new bar across there in the frame. Can you see that? Yeah, I'm going to put this new bar in, but I'll just show you what else we've got to do. I mean, this is complete now. This will be fine. We'll go and have a look. So you can see here, I cut this. This is where that hang off. I can't get this out. I tried to heat it. I mean, I could cut here and weld a bit of pipe on there and do it like that, but I will have another go at trying to get this out. Once this is out, this can go on the tractor, you see. But we'll see if we can get it sorted out. So we've got that over, used the Leyland crane that we made. We just got to try and get this out. So I ground out that bar to there, still stuck, and I filled it with diesel. And hopefully that will help free this end up, so we'll see. And then we'll be ready to work, but we didn't get that far today.